Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Hansoti Official. This video is all about the log drum, the Yimkhiung log drum. What is the importance of log drum? And this log drum is organized by the all GBS Union of Yimkhiung under the Yimkhiung jurisdiction. In the occasion of the Platinum Jubilee of Yimkhiung Tribal Council, 75 years celebration of Yimkhiung Tribal Council, the GBS Union has made the log drum. Let me explain the brief about what is the log drum. The log drum is very important for the male boys, and this is very important for the ancient time of invention. So that log drum is the most important for the communication or information about any insurgent happen in the village. So let me explain why they are in brief. This log drum, it is the signification of blessing, which these log drums makes us blessings to the young generation. When we are pulling the log drum, we used to put 6 stick or 6 long stick or long bamboos or stick or bamboos. That signification, it is that we that 6 days of the birth of the sun, we used to observe the 6 days. So that's why this log drum is mostly important for the male. So that's why we used to put the 6 stick in the log drum while when we are bulling this log drum. We used to bull from the forest and bring to the home to keep in the morung. So why this, don't get confused why we are putting 6 stick in the log drum when we are pulling. That means the signification of the male, that bird, when we are bird, we used to give 6 days to observe, and after that we used to give him or his name. So that's why this is very important for the log drum in our. This log drum is very important and it is a blessing. When we are pulling this log drum, one of the most wearer of the village used to sit in front of the log drum, and after that the remaining of the followers, they used to pull. And why we are putting these 2 stick below that log drum, when we are pulling, it used to go sleep and it goes the faster. This is just the help of that. While we are pulling, we disturb anything to go straight forward. During this time, not only that, we used to sing the song. So that how we are singing the song when we are pulling, we will see in the video. Let's see and enjoy the video. Everyone enjoy this video. Thank you.
Yimkhiung headquarter, 하상공사 교대 임평로 미싱 아무캬랑아 격상 하상공사 교대 임평로 미싱 아무캬랑아 격상 아총랑아 격상 그즈봉 리장봉 중지르랑 아무캬라 격상다 알라르랑 격상다다 하주 청단초
dulu-dulu aro dia tanah laka next to tanah kuru aro tahan kita bit kolop space raga so mana kawas kacau to ido nagaland to dia tanah laka Nurji Ayla Kerala Asti Jadi dai saras tadi orang untuk paina rugi sih. Lalu dai udah kusi dalam namun cakup sih. Ini kan program mereka sih. Dalam
This video is about after the reaching of the Lokram in Morung, they used to sing the happiness and joyful that calling the friends, oh my dear friends, we are happy today. This kind of the meanings they are singing. After the reaching the Lokram, that successfully they have full and reached that Morung, so that's why they
So
use
itulah video sama kan so mana place ku day ko na video mo la channel day bro. Kiman chun saya sih itu kan so mana bi. Aru ikide chadam de place ku day ko na. Oi idi bro ajila vlog tu in. Thank you so much.
see you in the next video.